2004 Ford Focus engine size 2.3 GTS. I'm doing a roadside repair on the overfill tank hose. The OEM clamp connected to the T down there was leaking. Okay, so I replaced it with new clamps. This is the OEM clamp. I remove it and I put a new clamp. I put one here where it leaves the overfill tank, and one down the way connected to T. I'm using a aftermarket radiator OSC 2743. About 5-6 years ago I installed this. I removed the Ford. Okay, the exact fit and function you get from Rock Auto. And on the right there's a bleeder port. Okay, right here. Okay, so you fill your reservoir till that coolant is running clear through that bleeder port right there. Okay, use a rubber cap. Okay, I'm using 1/4 inch 6mm. Take the clamp off. Alright, so I'm gonna fill that up, fill this overfill tank up. It's gonna burp the air out. Okay, it's gonna burp the air out, and once the coolant running free, I'm gonna put the cap on. So I'm using 50/50 gold peak. Alright, I'm gonna fill the tank up. Always good to have tools when you're on the road. Got to do a roadside repair. Alright, I'm gonna fill the reservoir tank up. See how it's burping that air out? So it's pushing that air out. That's what that does. So you fill it till that running with a good flow. So I'm gonna put more in. Still pushing the air out. Okay. You can hear it pushing that air out that radiator, because that's the top. Okay. That's how you bleed the air out of the radiator. You got a P0128. What trapped the air is your radiator. Okay, that's what trapped the air, and you get a P012. You know, that's running clear. Okay, I'm gonna put the cap on. Okay, put the rubber cap on.